What's her talent? Bartending? I made it very clear you were responsible for making her look credible, Victor.
I wish I could explain, but there are no words.
Eagle Eye. I want to check out Cowboy at 1 o'clock.
My 1 o'clock or your 1 o'clock?
Right under the white Stetson.
White Stetson, there's Stetsons everywhere.
Okay, he's moving. Bogey's moving towards the stage. He's definitely a shooter. Anybody?
Hold on a minute, we're checking it out.
Guys. Okay, guys, he has a gun. Who's got the 20 on the shooter? Taking him out, you guys.
No, wait till we have a visual.
Gun! Gun down! Gun! Everybody down!
Better up till then, don't you think?
In a very bizarre incident today at the Miss United States preliminaries, the contestant from New Jersey leapt off stage and tackled a man in the crowd who was just trying to light a cigarette. Gracie Lou Freebush is her name. She's here with me right now. Tell me exactly, what were you thinking when you jumped off the stage?
Well, as you know, all the contestants are actively involved in trying to end America's dependence on tobacco, so needless to say, I think the gentleman will think twice before he lights up again.
I'm sure we all will.
Look, he had a gun.
Of course he had a gun. This is Texas. Everybody has a gun. My florist has a gun.